Welcome back to the Locus Home Therapy Program Educational Series. Today, we'll explore practical ways you can help your child aged 8 to 16 years become more organized, manage their time more effectively, and stay focused throughout the school day. As children grow older, school becomes more demanding. They're expected to manage different subjects, remember equipment, complete homework, and move between classes independently. For many children, it's not the learning that's difficult, it's organizing everything around the learning. Let's begin with planners and timers. Encourage your child to spend a few minutes each day checking homework, upcoming deadlines, and after-school activities. Writing tasks down instead of relying on memory reduces stress and helps them feel more in control. Rather than expecting homework to be completed in one long session, divide it into shorter work blocks with planned breaks in between. This helps children develop a better sense of time while making larger tasks feel much more manageable. Another valuable skill is organizing school equipment. Many children lose time and confidence simply because they can't find the books or materials they need. Create simple routines for checking the school bag, organizing the pencil case, and preparing everything needed for the next day. If your child uses a locker at school, encourage them to develop a simple system so books and equipment always have a regular place. Next, let's make note-taking easier. Not every child can listen, write, and process information at the same time. Instead of expecting perfect notes, encourage them to write down just the key ideas from each lesson. You might ask questions like, "What are the 3 most important things you learned today?" Or, "What's one question you still have?" This helps children focus on understanding rather than trying to copy everything they hear. Finally, think about the learning environment itself. Sometimes small changes make a big difference. At home, create a quiet study space with only the materials needed for the current subject. Keeping phones out of reach during study sessions and reducing unnecessary distractions makes it much easier to stay focused. Where appropriate, work with your child's school to explore simple adjustments such as preferred seating, movement breaks, or organizational supports that help them participate more successfully. Remember, the goal isn't perfect organization overnight. It's helping your child develop simple routines that gradually become habits, allowing them to feel more confident, prepared, and independent both at home and at school. Small changes, practiced consistently, often lead to the greatest long-term progress. Return to the Locus Therapy app to continue your child's personalized program. We'll see you in the next Locus Home Therapy program.